Here I'm going to review POCO M6 5G. It's good to buy or not this POCO M6 5G. It's new mobile phone you may. But friends, this mobile phone is similar to Redmi 13C. It's almost similar, not the difference. The design is very beautiful. As you can see here, I just love the design. I want to tell you that it's good to buy or not. That's why you can watch this video till the end. So friends, here let's talk about the POCO mobile phone designs. As you can see here, I have ordered the purple one. If you want to know about the size of the mobile phone, here 2.5 mm jack and volume rocker, okay, up and down volume buttons and power buttons. Okay, here on the side you are going to find power buttons. Then here on this side is speaker, and here you can charge your mobile phone, and here the small dot is the mic, and then this is the to insert your SIM card. And this side, okay, you can insert your SIM card. Display size you are getting this in this POCO mobile phone 17.12 centimeter, you can say 6.74 inch, HD plus 90 Hz, display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It's very good that you are getting this Gorilla Glass that is 3 protection. Looking at this, the quality is very good, and this mobile phone, I just love the quality at this price. Really, it's just amazing. Okay, this quality is, and look at his eyebrow. Wow, it's very nice. Even his cap also you can see clearly. That's why friends, about the quality, no doubt it's perfect in this mobile phone. What about the quality? You just give me a comment. I think if you are not using much, the one who is playing the game, or you are not the one who is just always using the mobile phones, then you can buy this mobile phones. If you want to know about the performance, the operating system, here you are going to find Android 13, and about the processor brand, here MediaTek, and about the processor type MediaTek, density 6100 plus. Processor core is octa core. And friends, if you want to know about the RAM, then here RAM you are getting is the 4GB RAM and 128GB ROM, okay, and you can even expand it also. It's expandable up to 1TB. It's very good that you can expand under this price also the RAM. What about if we watch the video? What about we call friends 1 or 2 and we talk? There is problem or not? And firstly, friends, whenever I call to my friends under the 1 or 2 hour, there is no problem. For the call-ins and video call, or you can say, or to watch the videos also, it's good. But friends, to those who are gamers, to them this mobile phone, it's not good. If you play Free Fire, or you can say if you are talking to your friends, WhatsApp video call under the 1 hour, your phone will get too hot. Friends, let's check the sound, whether the sound is clear or not. Here I just tap on the ringtone, then here play some of the ringtones, but it's not ringing, so I just up the volume. Then after that, here you can see the sound. Friends, as you can hear out the sound, it's perfect. Okay, it's just good. I just love the sound. Next friends, here let's talk about the camera. The camera mainly is the primary camera you are getting is the 50 megapixel rear camera, and the dual camera is the 50 megapixel. Okay, this is the main camera. And friends, the front camera you are getting is the 5 megapixel the front camera. Here some photos I have captured. As you can see, really the camera is perfect. I love the camera also because it's too clear, and too there is some light also in there. Okay, you can zoom also, but there is no problem while you are zooming the photos also. That's why I just love in this mobile phone camera. And if you want to know about the video also, here I have recorded some video. Okay, example like here you can watch. I just love in the under the here friends battery you're getting 5000 mAh and 18 watt, but under the box there is the charger. It's given only 10 watt. Okay, so friends, how do you think that this mobile phone is good to buy or not? For me it's good. Below the 10,000 it's very good that you're getting 5G mobile phone, and if about the 10,000 then I cannot say. Okay, and friends, how do you like? If you love this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.